Imagine stepping out, checking your bag, and realizing your phone is missing. Your whole life is on that phone. Photos, contacts, bank apps, work, everything. Before panic sets in, there is one feature that can help you locate your phone, lock it, or even erase it remotely. It's called Find My Device or Find My Phone, and every smartphone has it. Today, I'll show you how to set it up and use it on my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and I'll also cover other Android phones and iPhones, so everyone benefits. Let's go. Alright, so to begin, this goes for any Android phone, but I'm demonstrating on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So you will have to go to settings on any Android phone. I'll get to iPhone in a bit. So go to settings and you scroll down to settings and privacy. Settings and privacy. You will tap here and you will go to where is some phone. You will just go straight to Find My Mobile and turn it on, but on this phone you will have to go to Lost Device Protection. This, you touch that and you will see where it says Find My Device, Find My Mobile, or Find My Device. This, you touch it. Once you touch it, make sure to turn on allow this phone to be allow this phone to be found, send last location, and all of that. Okay, so make sure you have those enabled. Now if you lost your phone, you can go to this website, findmymobile.samsung.com. but if you don't have a Samsung, you can go to google.com/find. Or okay, if I click now on this website, it will take me directly to the web. So it will take me directly. I have to block off my address because that's where I crossed out. It shows my device location and I do not wish to share that now. Okay, so so when you go to this website, it will show you this, and from here, when you touch this to expand it, so it will bring you here, and from here you can ring the phone. You can choose here to, once you touch this, your phone will start ringing. You can go here to erase data remotely. You can do you can do a lot of things depending. If you touch the lost mode, you read what it does and you follow that prompts to set that up. Okay, now this is for Android phones. Okay, so here you can see your phone on the map. You can make it ring. Even it will ring even if it's on silent. Even if you set your phone on silent, it will ring, and then you will lock the phone if you wish to, or you can erase data depending on the severity of the case. If you can't find the phone and you have sensitive information, you can choose the erase data. Now on iPhones, okay, for iPhone users, you have to go to settings and you will tap your Apple ID name at the top, and then you select find my, and then you tap Find My Phone, and you turn on Find My Phone, Find My Network, send last location. So if your phone goes missing, you go to icloud.com/find or use the Find My app on another Apple's device. You can locate, lock, or erase your iPhone remotely. Why you need this? This feature is important because it helps you recover a lost or stolen phone, protect your personal and banking information, lock your phone from anywhere, erase sensitive data if recovery isn't possible. So without this turned on, once your phone is gone, it's gone. Okay, now you know how to set up and use Find My Device or Find My Phone on any smartphone. It takes 1 minute. Take 1 minute to confirm that it is turned on. It can save you money, data, and serious stress. So share this video with someone who needs it, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.